Why opt for original Apple products when you can snag an identical copy at a significantly lower cost? Does this mean we should wave goodbye to Apple purchases altogether? That's precisely what crossed our minds upon discovering that fake versions of the Apple Vision Pro hit the shelves even before the official release on February 2nd, 2024. Surprisingly, numerous YouTubers have already dabbled with these knockoffs. And guess who's behind it? You got it. China strikes again. A Shenzhen-based company specializing in VR/AR headsets took the lead. It all started when a gadget vlogger unboxed a new headset resembling the Apple Vision Pro, dubbing it AppleCore. Shockingly, it was available at Huaqiangbei 2 months ahead of Apple's launch date. While counterfeit iPhones and Apple products have long sparked a tech news frenzy, this one ignites fresh intrigue due to the vast price discrepancy. But can you spot any differences in appearance? Very few. However, the real question lies in performance. Undoubtedly, the original Apple Vision Pro will outshine its fake counterpart, but by how much? And does the knockoff offer satisfactory performance for its price? Join us as we dissect their similarities, delve into their divergent prices, and explore whether these products truly deliver comparable experiences. Stay tuned to uncover whether these alternatives can truly replicate the Apple experience. Unboxing. So, behold the original Apple Vision Pro, packaged in a grand box with a hefty price tag of $3,800. Upon cracking it open, you're greeted not only by the headset itself, but also by optical lenses tailored for glasses wearers. For an extra $200, you can snag a sleek travel case to complement the package. The presentation is elegant, featuring a cover and a snug knit band. Inside, alongside the headset, you'll find a medley of goodies, including Apple stickers, pamphlets, microfiber cloths, 2 varieties of light seal cushions, a dual loop band, and a sturdy 3166 mAh battery. Charging is facilitated by a USB-C cable and a 30-watt USB-C brick, although fast charging isn't supported. Well folks, check this out. Enter the counterfeit Apple Vision Pro, equally intriguing with its real cameras and sensors, complete with an augmented reality mode. However, discernible differences emerge. The screen, for one, is crafted from plastic, not glass like its authentic counterpart. While the design closely mimics the genuine article, there are nuanced discrepancies, such as camera placement. The headband, too, diverges, lacking a top strap and fashioned from plastic rather than aluminum. Priced at $500, it includes a joystick for device connectivity, boasting a power button and a camera button, all running on the Android platform. Accompanying the package is a USB-A to USB-C cable. The unboxing journey varies starkly between the two versions. The original Apple Vision Pro arrives in a grandiose box, while its counterfeit counterpart is nestled within a more modest package. Opening the genuine article reveals a meticulously arranged ensemble of accessories, each thoughtfully included for the user's convenience. Conversely, unboxing the fake Vision Pro is a simpler affair, with minimal packaging and a straightforward process of extracting the product from its enclosure. Vision OS and camera. When you purchase the Apple Vision Pro, your first step is setting it up with Face ID, similar to your iPhone. Utilizing specialized sensors, it accurately scans your face. Additionally, you'll discover a convenient light seal cushion, ensuring a comfortable fit by adjusting to your facial contours. The initial startup takes about a minute, and upon completion, you'll be greeted with a welcoming hello message. With access to the expansive App Store, millions of compatible apps await your exploration, enhancing your Vision Pro experience from day one. The device's technology is undeniably impressive, particularly its array of cameras and sensors, which deliver a lifelike experience, especially notable with the pass-through video feature. Strategically positioned throughout the headset are multiple cameras, 2 at the front and 2 on the sides, along with illuminators, true depth cameras, and a light scanner. Now, let's delve into the fake Vision OS, which fails to match the original, as observed in various videos. According to a YouTuber, it appears to be an exact replication of an image sourced from Apple's developer site, casting doubt on its authenticity. Furthermore, not all content is available in English, although this can be adjusted in the settings. The available options encompass display settings, control over third-party apps, and a few battery-related configurations. While the camera quality suffices for basic use, it lacks the exceptional imaging promised by Apple, delivering mediocre results even for capturing images. In summary, the original Apple Vision Pro dazzles with its cutting-edge technology, seamless App Store integration, and unparalleled user experience. Conversely, the counterfeit version falters in authenticity, language support, and camera performance. Thus, that sums up the distinction between the genuine and fake iterations of the Apple Vision Pro. Playing videos and music. Ah man, just look at it. The original product delivers a flawless video playback experience, showcasing high-resolution content with absolute clarity. Furthermore, immersing yourself in music on the original device provides a lifelike and seamless audio experience, elevating overall user engagement. However, when it comes to the counterfeit product, the initial video experience may not be as impressive, although you still have the option to adjust the size and exit videos similar to the original. Similarly, while the music quality on the fake device is acceptable, it lacks the immersive depth of the original, which offers a more realistic and user-friendly audio experience. Take a listen and judge for yourself. Browser. Now, let's take a browsing journey on the fake Apple Vision Pro. It feels like stepping into a completely different environment, complete with a kitchen, as demonstrated in the video. However, initially the browser may display Chinese content, which you'll need to customize to your preferences. And when it comes to watching content, well, it's a bit of a challenge. The quality isn't great, and the browser tends to lag, particularly when streaming on YouTube. Overall, it's not the most seamless experience. On the other hand, browsing on the original Apple Vision Pro is a whole new level of sophistication. The interface is exceptionally polished, making navigation a breeze. It's far superior and more user-friendly compared to the counterfeit version. You won't encounter any unexpected Chinese content, and the browsing experience is as smooth as silk. Watching videos is a delight, with high-quality playback and zero lag. It's like having front-row seats for your favorite content. In conclusion, while browsing on the fake Apple Vision Pro might feel like stepping into a different realm with its peculiar interface and occasional Chinese content, the original Apple Vision Pro provides a seamless and pleasurable browsing experience. With its superior interface and flawless performance, it's evident why the original remains the preferred choice for those seeking an exceptional browsing experience on their VR device. Folders. Upon exploring the folder settings on the fake Apple Vision Pro, you'll observe a striking resemblance to those of the original product. However, it's important to recognize that the system operates on Android, which diverges from the intended platform of the Apple Vision Pro. Moving on to the original Apple Vision Pro, you'll encounter the Files app, facilitating effortless integration with other Apple devices. Nevertheless, it's worth mentioning that notable applications such as Messenger, Instagram, and Twitter are notably absent from the device. Environment. Now, let's dive into the core aspect. Watch closely as this YouTuber explores the environment section on the fake Apple Vision Pro. Notice how the interface is exceptionally well designed with a seamless control center and no blurriness. And what's interesting, the Google AR mode within the control center delivers an incredibly accurate virtual reality experience, just as promised by the fake Apple Vision Pro. It's quite remarkable. For those less interested in AR, VR might be the preferred option. Moreover, there are intriguing features like integrating photos into apps and creating miniature environments like Space. Shifting our focus to the original Apple Vision Pro, you'll encounter genuine photos and environments that are extraordinarily lifelike and crisp. It's truly breathtaking. For instance, in the mountain scenario, your voice even echoes, enhancing the authenticity of the experience. Can you imagine? The level of detail is astounding, transporting you to another world. This level of immersion is unparalleled and distinguishes the original Apple Vision Pro from its counterfeit counterpart. It's not just about viewing pictures, it's about genuinely experiencing them. And that's what makes the original Apple Vision Pro so exceptional. Trust me, while the fake Apple Vision Pro offers a respectable experience with its environment section and AR mode, it falls short of matching the realism and immersion provided by the original. With its incredibly authentic photos and environments, the original Apple Vision Pro elevates the virtual experience to a whole new level, making it the preferred choice for those seeking an unparalleled immersive experience. So, in this race, the imitation still trails behind the original. While the folder settings on the fake Apple Vision Pro may resemble those of the original, the absence of crucial apps like Messenger and X, formerly known as Twitter, could pose a limitation for certain users. Conversely, the original Apple Vision Pro offers the Files app, facilitating seamless connectivity with other Apple devices and enhancing its overall usability within the Apple ecosystem. Without a doubt, the original Apple Vision Pro stands out with its premium packaging, cutting-edge technology, seamless integration with the App Store, lifelike environment simulation, high-fidelity video and music playback, smooth browsing experience, and inclusion of essential apps. In contrast, the fake version lacks authenticity, language support, camera performance, realistic environment simulation, and overall user experience. For the ultimate virtual reality immersion, the original Apple Vision Pro remains the preferred choice. So, which option will you go for? Will you prioritize cost savings or opt for the exceptional experience offered by the original headset? Before making a decision, be sure to explore this video to gain insights into the other aspects of this gadget, ensuring you don't find yourself battling against stress-induced regrets later on. Until then, stay tuned for the latest tech updates.